Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports FC Mobile offline. While the game is primarily designed for online play, you can still enjoy certain features without an internet connection. First, you need to launch the application while connected to a stable network. Allow the game to fully load to its main menu. Once everything is loaded, you can then turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data to proceed with offline gameplay. This initial connection is crucial for accessing any offline modes. Once you are offline, you can access several engaging modes. You can enjoy practice matches, allowing you to refine your skills against computer-controlled opponents. Additionally, single-player modes such as Season Mode or Campaign Mode are often available, offering structured gameplay without needing an internet connection. Skill games are also a great way to improve your dribbling, shooting, and passing, providing valuable training sessions anytime, anywhere. It is important to understand the limitations of playing offline. You will not be able to participate in online multiplayer modes, such as head-to-head or VS Attack, as these require a constant internet connection to interact with other players. Live events, daily challenges, and accessing new content or game updates are also restricted. These features are dynamically updated and depend entirely on an active network connection to function properly within the game. For the best offline experience, remember to connect to the internet periodically. This allows the game to download any necessary updates and new content, ensuring your offline modes are current. Always link your game account to a service like Google Play or Apple ID while online to save your progress securely. Also, ensure your device has sufficient storage, typically around 2 to 5 gigabytes, and adequate RAM, at least 3 gigabytes, for smoother performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.